With the second decade of the 21st century coming to an end, the Indian Air Force has been doing a self-analysis and self-examination of its fleet and capabilities. With quite a few number of aircrafts being phased out and a lot of jets close to retirement, main focus has been on complete modernization. Initial focus on the upgrades have been on MiG-29 and Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, followed by upgrades on Mirage 2000 and the Jaguar. MiG-21 has been expected to be completely phased out by 2021, with Mirage 2000 and Jaguar expected to be retired by 2030. Along with upgradation, Indian Air Force has procured first of the HAL Tejas with 125 more deliveries by 2025, and the first of the Dassault Rafale is soon to join the Air Forces with total 36 to be inducted by 2021. In the transport wing, Indian Air Force has finalized on getting the EADS CASA C295 from Airbus Defence and Space. The contract consists of total of 56 aircraft with 16 C295 bought in a fly condition and rest 40 to be manufactured in India in partnership with Tata Advanced Systems. The count has been subsequently increased to 62 with 6 aircrafts for the Indian Coast Guard. Deliveries of the Apache and Chinook helicopters are also expected to be completed by 2021. Along with Apache, India has also developed its own attack helicopter known as HAL Light Combat Helicopter. The helicopter is currently in testing stage and mass production has already started, with 65 orders from Indian Air Force and 114 orders from the Indian Army. It is also intended to be sold upon the export market. Indian Air Force has also been investing heavily on unmanned aerial vehicles for attack, patrol and reconnaissance roles. It already has 3 Israel-made drones known as Herop, Heron and Searcher, along with indigenously developed aerial target drone known as Lakshya. Simultaneously, DRDO Rustam and DRDO Aura are 2 unmanned combat air vehicles under development in India. In October 2007, India and Russia signed a pact to develop a 5th generation fighter aircraft. Work on the program was to start by mid-2009 and the program was expected to be completed by 2017. Indian Air Force were to get 108 twin-seated 5th generation aircrafts which, when fully developed, were intended to replace MiG-29 and MiG-27. But in April 2018, it was reported that India has withdrawn from the co-development program but might choose to rejoin the program or acquire fully developed aircraft in the future. HAL has also started design work on an advanced medium combat aircraft which is a twin-engined 5th generation stealth multi-role fighter. It will complement the HAL Tejas, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and the Dassault Rafale in the Indian Air Force. On January 2017, Ministry of Defence announced plans for a competition to select a strategic partner to develop 200 new single-engine fighters to be made in India. A Ministry of Defence official said that a global tender will be put to market in the first quarter of 2018. This represents 11 squadrons of aircraft plus several attrition aircraft. In February, the government scrapped the single-engine fighter procurement by removing the single-engine criteria. Also, Tejas Mark II is set to be majorly redesigned variant to become advanced medium-weight fighter. Subsequently, on 20th February 2019, Lockheed Martin unveiled the F-21 concept variant of the F-16 at the Aero India Air Show as a new proposal for India's continuing fighter jet tender. The F-21 is intended to be produced locally in India and in collaboration with Tata Advanced Systems for a proposed deal of $15 billion. Going by the current pace of development, it's safe to say that in the coming years, the Indian Air Force would be tactically and technologically equipped to face any kind of threats and would become one of the most advanced air force in the world.